Pan tu farpaseach an na teanas dhéobh cárta dí lúchléisithe alpanach Maia Lumsden, a siú í racket a hócal a dáiseach ag h-Alba.
I remember, I first played when I was about 5 years old, but earliest memories, were just going down to our club and just playing with my family really, or going to kids sessions and kind of playing half an hour a week kind of thing. That was the earliest memories of going to tennis. And then I think one of the first tournaments I played, I remember that because I just remember the feeling of winning matches, and I really loved that feeling. As the years went on, I loved the feeling of competing, and especially winning tournaments was, I would always love that. So I think as I got older I wanted to keep doing it and keep doing it seriously, and from quite a young age I kind of thought I always wanted to do it as a career and be a professional.
An na 2009 bha Maia a Cluinnidh chumas a bha I dèidh, agus als na ranganan bha imas na príomh dachiatas lichad cluichadaran a séir san túil. Gymí orsnach bha Maia an nuair sin iad a droch láin, agus thug sin buai iad an airtas a bha teanas an spòrs.
Getting into that top 250 had been a goal, because then you start getting into the Grand Slam qualifying events. So I'd been kind of working towards that goal for a few years, and so when I got to that ranking I was really happy. But then that's when I kind of started to first had an injury and then got ill, so I was never able to build on that and try and go higher at that point. I had a hand injury for a few months, and at the time I was quite worried because I knew it was an important time to try and I was looking to try and get into the Australian Open with my ranking, but then had to take a few months out. So it was frustrating at the time, but because it was only a few months, that one, I wasn't, didn't think it was going to be an extremely long period of time. But then I guess with the illness that came, that was the one where, it's really, because it was such a long period of time, lost my ranking and wasn't able to play rankings for tournaments for so long. So I guess that was the point that was kind of the most difficult in my career.
As siú í ein seachat idir bhíad a gáirsteach, bha Maia an nuair sin na strí le COVID fada, with thu chumas iad falbh bhó teanas son áithníos an díag. Bha céisteach an nuair sin an rud í ein dáis chun in iad far an ráid.
At the start, when I first had COVID, I didn't think too much of it because I was feeling okay. I was a little bit ill, but it wasn't too bad. And obviously you kind of hear about a lot of athletes getting it and then being back competing in the next couple of weeks. So I wasn't too worried at that point. But then in a few weeks I just started to get a lot more kind of serious symptoms, and ones that I didn't really know when I was going to get better from. So I guess at that point it was I wasn't really sure what was going to happen with my tennis and everything. Being unable to exercise for so long, so it was a bit of the unknown at that stage after the kind of months were going on, and I wasn't feeling any better. It was really difficult because I guess I didn't know when I was going to get better. I think when I had an injury in the past, you have a couple months or you can rehab it kind of thing. So mentally it was really difficult because I didn't know whether that was going to be kind of career over or if I could get better soon. So I think getting through that stage was really difficult, and I just had to kind of take it a day as it comes and a week as it comes, because there was no point looking too far in the future because I really didn't know what was going to happen.
Ha Maia a gatseige groie fulang go dána tron am sin, dragal nach bhíoga comasa hí Cluinnidh tennis a dhéist, ach beicad bhéic gasí na seair.
It was so difficult because my whole life had kind of been tennis at that stage, and I'd always been working towards trying to reach the top of the game, especially kind of going from a career high ranking. It kind of but also I just wanted to be able to kind of live a normal life, because at that point I was really struggling and just not able to do normal things as well at times. So I think once I got healthy enough to do normal things, I was then just so desperate to try and play again, because it's the thing I guess most passionate about and I've always done. So I was just really excited for the possibility that I could get back.
Inist I dáis a Cluinnidh agus éad nachgad ag Wimbledon, ha Maia is bhir son táiseacha go dhéist agus bhíochan dí strécht suas na ranganan.
yeah, I'm so happy. It's been, last few months have been really good since I came back. I got to play at Wimbledon and won my first match there, so that was, yeah, a great moment for me. And yeah, just playing a lot of tournaments again. It's been a lot of matches. It's obviously tough on the body because I've been, yeah, out for so long, so it's taken a lot of kind of adjustments. But yeah, I've been so happy to be back doing it after such a long time away. I always really wanted it before, but now, yeah, it just, I guess, makes you more hungry because, yeah, it was kind of taken away and I possibly thought I wouldn't ever get back on court. So yeah, now I'm just more appreciative, and I know that if I can do well and make it back there, then yeah, it's been like a tough journey to get there, but I'll be proud that I managed to kind of fight through the tough moments. I never thought it would happen this year. You know, I always thought this year was going to be about building back and then next year aiming to be there. But things went really well with my doubles partner and a couple of tournaments before. And yeah, last minute we got the wild card. So yeah, I was really happy we could make the most of it and win a match as well. That was really exciting for us. And yeah, it just gave me more motivation to, yeah, work hard this year to get our rankings up so that I can be back there in singles and doubles next year.
Ha Maia an dócha faireachdainn a bhrásnacha gus teanas a hain, agus ag taingal on a thula sín a ha spòrs the hort yí.
I think there's always been fewer girls than boys the whole time growing up while I've been playing. It's a lot of the time in training with boys and stuff, so I think, yes, it'd be really good if we can get more girls into the game because it's such a good sport for females. Yeah, at the top of the game, it's, you know, obviously equal prize money at Grand Slams. So yeah, I think the more girls we can get involved, the better, because it's such a great sport for them to play. I think, yeah, tennis has added a lot to my life. I've really got to travel the world and I really just enjoy the game. So I know that's the reason that I'm still playing through the tough times, because I do just really enjoy playing the game. So I know if I didn't have that enjoyment, then yeah, I probably would have stopped during the last couple of years because it was looking quite unlikely I'd get back. So yeah, I'm just very grateful that I've got like a passion like tennis in my life.